Hello, friends, and welcome back to DIYs with Sonja. Today officially kicks off my new Christmas DIY series, and I'm so excited to bring you a season full of high-end Christmas DIYs inspired by Pottery Barn, McGee Co, Crate and Barrel, and more. If you love luxury holiday decor, look for less, you're going to love what's coming. I'll be sharing brand new Christmas DIYs once or twice a week, plus a weekly mix of some of my favorite past projects that are still just as beautiful today. So grab a cozy drink, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to tap the bell so you don't miss any of my look for less holiday decor ideas this season. Alrighty, let's go get into today's high-end DIYs. I'm starting today's DIYs with one of my favorite decor pieces from last year. I picked up this gorgeous arched frame at HomeSense for $14.99. Not overly cheap, but I did try to thrift one first without any luck. I wanted to recreate the viral arch Christmas tree art from Studio McGee line at Target. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it on their website this year, and we don't have Target here in Canada, so it was time to make my own. After removing the sticker, which was a bit of a process in itself, I carefully took apart the frame. The glass did not come out, so instead of taping it off, I decided to just be extra careful while applying the gold wax. For the frame, I used Dixie Belle's gilding wax in antique gold, one of my absolute favorites. It's so easy to apply, and I'm obsessed with the color. I used the foam brush to gently brush it over the frame, avoiding the glass. If a bit does get on, don't worry, it wipes off easily right away. I also let some of the original black finish peek through to give it that aged antique look I love. Once the painting was done, I got my Christmas print on Etsy for just a few dollars. I'll link the shop down below. I debated using an ornament print since that's trending right now, but I decided to stick with the Christmas tree design, and I'm so glad I did because it turned out absolutely stunning. The frame said it fits an 8 by 10, so I printed the size and used paper insert as a guide to trace and cut my print perfectly. And what do you guys think? I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. For my next DIY, I wanted to recreate the antique brass bells from McGee Co. They're so timeless and elegant and also can be used all year round. I came across this glass bell, or maybe it's technically a cloche top, but it has the perfect bell shape, so we're going with that. After removing the sticker and giving it a good clean, I mixed a bit of sea spray from Dixie Belle into Midnight Sky chalk paint to add texture and help the paint adhere to glass. Sea spray is great for that. It thickens your paint and gives it that stone-like finish. I applied one coat of the mix and let it dry fully. I also used a small wooden ring for the top and did the same painting process for that. Then I grabbed Moonshine Metallics paint in silver, also from Dixie Belle. I dabbed it over the textured surface using a paper towel. This really brought out all the beautiful dimensions the sea spray created. And it was also my very first time using this paint, and I have to say I'm impressed. To tie everything together, I lightly added some milk chocolate chalk paint for depth. You could easily recreate this using a plastic cloche cover from the dollar store or even a bell-shaped glass piece. The final look mimics the high-end antique brass feel perfectly. Then I repeated the same process on that ring. Once everything was dry, I used my hot glue gun to attach the ring to the top of the bell. Add a pretty ribbon and it's ready to shine in your holiday decor. If you're enjoying these Pottery Barn and McGee Co. inspired projects so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel and it lets me know you love these look for less holiday decor ideas. And if you haven't pressed that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Next up, I recently thrifted a bag of small nutcrackers and had few ideas floating around for them. For this one, I took it outside and gave it a coat of dark walnut spray. My black spray quit working. The can is full, but the spray just won't cooperate. So I went the next darkest option I had. I just wanted a dark base, and once it dried, I brushed antique gold gilding wax again all over it. The transformation was amazing. You could easily do the same with Dollar Tree nutcrackers, even if they're painted already. The gold over a dark base gives such a high-end look for just a few dollars. For my last project and one of my favorites, my friend Sandra actually thrifted these wooden Christmas trees for me. The large one was $2.99 and the smaller one was $1.90, and the smaller ones were $1.99 each. I was inspired by the crate and barrel wooden Christmas tree, but I wanted mine a bit lighter. I also didn't want to strip or sand them, that would take forever, and we haven't had enough sunshine lately for oven spray. So instead, I painted them in burlap chalk paint, just one coat. And once they were dry, I used no paint gel stain from Dixie Belle in golden ash. This gel stain is amazing because it gives you that rich stained look without stripping or sanding. I applied it with a chip brush, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wiped it back with paper towel, though a rack works even better. It revealed the most beautiful wood finish. I repeated the process on the bottom. And just love how these turned out. Light, natural, and perfectly high-end looking. And that's it for today's high-end Christmas DIYs inspired by Pottery Barn, McGee Co. and Crate and Barrel. Look for less holiday decor ideas. I hope you found something you'd love to try this season, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves DIYs and Christmas decorating as much as we do. Don't forget, I'll be back once or twice a week with brand new Christmas DIYs plus a weekly throwback of some of my favorite holiday projects from the past years. Thanks so much for watching, my friends, and I'll see you in the next one.